It is a Wednesday round about this time. We talk all things fashion with Puru. Puru is a presenter here on Star FM, sounding good all the time. You can catch her on Thursdays, Midnight Express, and also Sundays, 9 to 12 midnight, and Mondays.
Yes.
You can catch her as well. Talking about mix and matching. Hey Puru, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How's your weekend? I always want to ask about your weekend. I'm sitting here.
Wednesday, takavumla nje inoyidele.
Takaramba, it's late. But I always want to ask you about, your weekend. I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe a part of me feels your weekends are interesting.
They are actually quite interesting. In a good way.
In a good way, yeah. Would you tell?
Dear Puru, watch your wear with him skate.
Women is So when I got here on I was away on Tuesday,
right?
But no, on
Wednesday, yeah.
Yes. Juganzi Puruna na lewe vaikureva na vaikutawa. And I never negotiate about if
Yes, I remember that. Oh yeah, we were talking about the
Kurotas. It was what the love of my life. So mix and matching today. We are live on Facebook. Mix and matching.
Okay.
Yes.
But we missed you last. We missed you last week.
Mix and matching.
Yes. And like I said, kananda kuvunzwa shandataura ndirambi wanhu vacho uyai panapa uyai mese wanhu vacho vakadaro, like it's that simple. Yeah, anyway, yeah, we're talking about mix and matching. As you can see, I'm wearing maroon kind of burgundy. I don't know melon and the melon and so top young day melon and my skirt there it's nude. Right, so this is me mixing, and then I've got a bachi. I'm looking good.
Yeah,
thank you. I feel good. Thank you. So today we're just talking about, like color matching, but I think Tichato is actually a series of color matching because Jakawanda, there is a lot, it's broad. So Jakawanda, so we're going to be having here and there Shadzoka Fuji Kunyadze, my colors mix and matching. And I'm also going to be sharing on my socials how I mix, how I match colors. Sometimes I actually play around with my colors. Nasa and this is post but so we're talking about the color wheel. Color wheel ndiyo iya inorakidza kuti nde api ma colors anowirirana. Say for an example, yellow and green zvinowirirana. So pa color wheel pane yellow panobva paenda green.
So color blocking at Zoga.
Yes, color block. Yes, you can also color block. But my point is kuni color wheel inorakidza kuti color yakati iri close to color yakati. Color yakati iri close to color yakati. As clash, yes. Okay. So if we are from yellow, we get into green. From yellow we get into green. And then I'm also going to be giving you my examples akasiyana atinokwanisa kusangana nawo pa color wheel. So color wheel is more like a guide. This will tell you kuti this and this zvinoita, this, and besides the then contrasting my colors, but trukutanga ne my colors anoding anoirana anofambirana. So we speaking of my contrasting colors, sometimes you wear my contrasting colors like a red and a green. I actually have a picture, I think I'll post it later on, where I was wearing my red flayed pants and a green blouse. Jakatobuda green chaicha green yakanasoti ba green and red. My colors equity, like on a normal day you don't see them. But Kanamun, I decided, you know what, today this is what I'm gonna go for. Then it is what they're gonna go for, and it looks nice. And my colors, you are contrasting. It's now a thing. I don't know if you've noticed. It's now a thing where this color and that color. Say for an example, besides green and red, you can these are contrasting colors. But yes, zvinenge zvichibuda so sweet ukabuda kubanze vanhu vanongoti zviro zvako zvekuluka urikuzwisisa.
So that's why I was asking kuti at some point years ago it was called color blocking.
Color blocking,
so
yes.
Now back
That's yes, color contrasting. Color blocking, yes.
Okay.
Definitely. So yeah, color blocking, you like it's now a thing. You see kuti munaninga kafika green keke lime, and then ne pink kuzasi lime ne pink kana kuti kumsoro pink then kuzasi lime mun otobuda zvotoendeka zvitonaka. So sometimes unobva wachitora chinyi an accessory maybe big rine macolors tu iyayaya awadhibanisa saka tadhibanisa makala tu asina ukama asingawirani contrasting colors. But then we are also saying let's then find something that will bring the two colors together. Yes, macolors otobuda zvakanaka. So it can be your handbag, yeah. It can also be your shoes, boots chai. Then boots it then it gives us my colors as we say. It can also be, my earrings auto enda ko blendesa zvinhu zvacho izvozvo. You should also notice kuti kana tichiita futi color contrasting, one color has to be dominant, has to be more dominant than the other. So 70% can be the other color while 30% is the other color. Or tinenge tine maybe like I said, my accessories ndo achaita kuti chi your shoes, your handbag. It can be maybe I don't know if we have my bracelets anima colors. Yeah, we do. Yeah, it can be a bracelet. Bracelet has a bracelet.
It's okay.
10.
Let me lay to you.
So allow me to,
So is weight.
It's weight. 11. But yeah, we are talking about nyaya yema colors, and we just want to make sure at the end of the day we look good. Come on. Wrong. 10, 11, September, August. But at the end of the day, even till August, can September. It's what we are just trying to do is make sure that luka. And then we have
as I love Puru the way you speak.
I'm bringing home closer, right? So then kunema neutral denim munch. Treat denim pieces as neutrals. So ndaka pick up an app is actually a good example. So ndaka pick up an app and it is my skirt, my top. Then manango is a denim jacket. So I told neutral.
Could they all go in a denim jacket?
I could have decided to wear a denim, jacket. But I'm actually glad I didn't wear a denim jacket because my skirt is flying. So had it been a denim jacket, it's going to fly. So the jacket I'm wearing today, fly. So denim jackets, neutralizer. You can be wearing, say, for an example, a black skirt, maxi skirt, and over a crop top kako, but you don't want to look too revealing, right? Akumana puro akafika crop top, and then I just put on my denim jacket, or I just want to neutralize. I'm just good and akafika black on black, right? And then I just put on my denim jacket, and ndavandatuona kameka look kekuti unenge wakapfeka your pleated skirt. It can be long, it can be iri pakati nepakati. kana kuti iri pamusoro pemabvi inenge iri pleated skirt yako, and then wopfeka t-shirt yako, t-shirt yako, then pamusoro voice denim jacket, wopfeka tumatennis twako. The look,
that's what good. I can
try it at home.
Yeah.
You can, yeah.
Try this at home.
Try this at home and see.
It would be like a
so
10
simple.
out of 10.
You're 10 out of 10, and you can even actually then basically go to church like that. Yeah, you can go to church. You can galavant, whatever you choose to do. But yes, galavant, and then you can. So I think it would 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
And then just knowing my colors gakuti in zviro zvinokosha. So I'm going to tell you about my primary colors. Primary colors now ndiwo makala anenge akaita colors anenge akaita sana red, yellow and blue. Red, yellow, primary colors, the normal colors. So makala abana ime color inofana kupinda ba to be mixed, no. Everything is derived from these colors. So like I mentioned, the black on black, to Buddha foot. The red on red, Buddha. The blue on blue, Buddha foot. And then do atinotichi my primary colors. And then there are secondary colors. Now, these are a combination of the primary colors, a combination of so there's the red and the yellow mixed together equals orange. Orange like mopa butter. And then red plus blue purplish, blue and yellow. Then koitama tertiary colors. These are a combination of both primary and secondary colors. So by mixing my colors, wana ma shades akasiyana, and then we should also know that we are in summer, but I feel like it's not really summer. It feels like spring, yeah?
Actually, yeah.
It's not really summer because ukabuda usna something to cover yourself. Chances are unless if it's really, really hot. So as we get into summer, kuna ma warm colors. Ma colors are very warm. Akaita sana red. Buddha, even ukatoa picture wakafika kared kako in summer Buddha, your orange Buddha, your yellow Buddha, and then brown, it's warm, but personally, if I look into my wardrobe, I think I have a few brown things.
Brown.
Yeah. Yes,
it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Yeah, so we need to know that we are
nude colors.
Yes.
Yeah.
We are in summer. We're getting into summer actually, and now my colors are my warm colors. What they do is they make things look smaller in size. So if you're big, you can also get away with wearing the warm colors, yeah? And then ukafika ma warm colors you don't look as big as you usually look. So if you also want to look smaller than your actual size, go for the warm colors.
Thank you so much, Puru Sakubva. For those who want to link up with you, can we have your social media handles?
Oh yeah, they can find me on Facebook, Puru Sakubva. They can inbox me. We can talk about whatever, fashion and whatever. And I'm going to be back tonight at 12. We're going to be talking about adult things.
Thank you so much. Can't wait to have you back next week, same time. Galaxy Fashion on the Morning Galaxy on Star FM. It's 11 o'clock. Time for the news.
Bye guys.